Hello beautiful people, my name is Shriya, and if you're new to my channel, please like, comment, share and subscribe. So today I'll be showing you a easy breezy everyday go-to makeup tutorial. Firstly, I'll use some Body Shop Oils of Life. I'll just take 2 to 3 drops as it's already summer and my skin is really dry, so I always need some hydration before applying some foundation, and it gives you a smooth base too, so it's really important to hydrate your face first. So here I'm just applying the drops, and once I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and take the damp beauty blender, and here I have taken the damp beauty blender, and I'll use my Huda beauty foundation in the shade Butter Peacan. So this is my shade for now. I'll just take 2 to 3 drops because it's already a full coverage foundation, so you need not that much because it's sufficient for your whole face. And you have to always make sure that you are applying the foundation till your neckline, because it's important to match your face with the neck, otherwise it won't look that perfect and it doesn't blend so well. So here I'm going ahead and blending that foundation. Blending, it's very important to blend your foundation, and I prefer using the beauty blender over brush because it takes less product and your foundation doesn't look that much cakey. So beauty blender is the best for applying the foundation. So here I am going the neckline, and I'm making sure that my face matches to the neck. More blending. Here goes a lot of blending. Yes, so then I'll move ahead. Here goes more blending. As you can see that I'm obsessed with blending my foundation. So once I'm happy with the blending, then I'll go ahead and I'll go for my concealer. I have a lot of dark circles, you can see in my video. So I'm in the shade Sand of Maybelline concealer. I'll write everything in my description box that what products I have used. So here I'm highlighting some of my face. I've taken a small beauty blender because it's always convenient to use a small beauty blender around your eyes so that it reaches easily. So here goes more blending. So here I'll go ahead and set that concealer with the translucent powder. For that I'm using the Kat 1D translucent powder. I'm just applying a little bit under my eyes, around the mouth, and on my forehead. I'll just let that sit for a few moments so that it sets properly, and in that way your makeup lasts longer. So I'll go ahead and I'll do my brows. I just feel like that I have pretty good eyebrows, so I'll go ahead and just fill in the gaps, because it's important to have defined brows for a makeup. So I'll just go and just fill in the gaps wherever I feel like. I'm very particular about my brows. So here I'll go ahead and put some brow gel. I am in the shade 4.5 of Benefit Cosmetics. It's always good to set your brows with a brow gel. In that way, it lasts longer. Then I'm going ahead and taking a clean brush, dusting away all the translucent powder I have applied around my mouth and everywhere where I have applied. Then I'll go ahead and put some eyeshadow. So I'm using the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette. And for this makeup look, I'm not going very dark with the eyeshadow. Then I'll go ahead and take some darker shade. So here I'm going ahead and taking my favorite mascara, which is the Lash Paradise. It's a waterproof mascara, and I'll just apply some coats on my upper lashes and then lower lashes. Same I'll do with the lower lashes. Mascara really makes your eyes look big. Once I'm happy with the mascara, I'll go ahead and do some contouring, though I'm not a contour person, but sometimes I like to do it because it gives you a defined look. So I'm applying in the hollow of my cheeks and the neckline And don't forget to apply that contour on your forehead. It will give you a sun-kissed look. I love to contour my nose sometimes, and it's always good to use your fingers because I think fingers are the best for blending your makeup. Then I'll go ahead and put some blush, and it's the MAC blush in the shade Peaches, and this blush is really beautiful as it gives you a fresh look. Now it's time to put some shine to your face. For that I'm using the Nykaa highlighter. It's a beautiful golden shade, and apply on my cheeks and nose and chin, and then cupid bow. Now it's time to apply some lipstick, and for that I'm using the Nykaa lipstick in the shade Rukmini. This is really a beautiful pink color, and it goes, I think, with every makeup look. This is a very natural pink shade. So here I'm not applying much. As you can see, I am blending it with my fingers. So now my makeup look is done. Hope you all will like it, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. My channel name is Shriya Sharad Saxena, and let me know what you want to see next. I would be happy to know it. Okay, till then, take care. Bye bye.